In this quick tutorial, I'll show you two simple methods to add a border around text in Google Docs. If this helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Let's get started. The first method is by using a table. Go to the top menu, click Insert, then select Table, and choose a 1 by 1 table. This will create a single cell. Type or paste your text inside this cell. To adjust the border, right-click and select Table Properties. From here, you can change the border thickness, color, and style. If you want to move the table around your document, just click and drag the 6 dots icon that appears on the left side of the table. The second method is by using the Drawing tool. Go to Insert Drawing plus New. In the drawing window, click the text box button, then drag to create a box and type in your text. From the toolbar, you can adjust the border thickness, color, and style. Once you're happy, click Save and Close, and your text box with a border will appear in the document. To move it around, select the box and choose Wrap Text, which makes it easy to drag anywhere on the page. And that's it. Now you know two easy ways to put a border around text in Google Docs. If this tutorial solved your problem, take just a second to like this video and subscribe for more helpful guides.